I started with measuring a top with the fit that I want and that is made of a material with similar stretch to the one that I'll be using. It was 12 inches by 5.5 inches. So when cutting out a rectangle for the top that I'm making, I doubled the length so that it would fit all the way around my body and added 1/2 inch for seam allowance. And for the width, I just added 1/2 inch for seam allowance. So the rectangle that I cut out was 24.5 inches by 6 inches. Next, with the right sides of the material together, I sewed the small sides of the rectangle together using a straight stitch. At this point, I tried it on to make sure it could get over my shoulders and that it would stay up. Next, I folded material over on the top and bottom of the shirt and sewed those with a zigzag stitch to hem it. For the straps, I cut out 2 pieces of fabric that were 62 inches by 2.5 inches. I folded them in half, hot dog style, and sewed them with a zigzag stitch down their length. Then to turn them inside out, I put a safety pin on one end, put it inside of itself, and pulled the safety pin all the way through to the other end. Once they were turned right side out, I closed one of the ends of the strap by turning it back inside of itself and sewing that down as well. And to finish it off, I just sewed each of the open ends of the straps across from each other on top of the tube top.